is Agnieszka. Myself and three of my colleagues, we work together for Deconstruction Project. It's an organization that was created last year. Our aim is to promote Polish arts and culture in London, and especially Polish people who've lived in London for a while or have Polish, have English. This year, we have met them now. Today is the private view of the Young Polish Art at Metal exhibition. This is our first year involvement with Polish Arts Festival, run here in Southend by Hungry Arts. With the consent and with great help of Colette Bailey from Metal and Douglas Hunter of Hungry Arts, we have curated a show here of 5 Polish contemporary young artists. We've got fantastic, how should I call it, variety of work here. We've got beautiful sculptures, we've got great film, a lot of documentary pieces. It's all around the idea of a dialogue, I guess. This is what I would call it. Myself, I am showing a piece of work that actually I've made a couple of years ago. It's called The Encounter, and I guess in some way or another it's trying to deal with ideas of the constant dialogue that one has with art. And I guess in some way or another trying to understand the way, or maybe trying to create a situation when one could talk to art like another human being. So I think, this is the issues that I've been dealing with at that time in my life, a couple of years ago. And hopefully I dealt with them, so I can move on now. And so the film talks about that, talks about this sort of ongoing dialogue with art. And myself as an artist trying to sort of make my peace with certain topic. And how should I call it? I guess, I think just trying to be... I think very often I have this problem when I think we, as artists, create something that we sort of treat as a subject, but then often we treat it later on as a human being. So I think this is something I want to talk about in the piece. Hopefully I did.
Unargued, no fear, unconceived, unprovoked, unloved.
Hi, my name is Katarzyna. I'm from the Deconstruction Project, and we organized a YPA exhibition in Metal. It's here. We invited 5 young contemporary Polish artists to show their works. We would like to add some more contemporary art to a Polish arts festival, which we think it's more folky. A very nice presentation by YPA13, and a part of her project it's outside. It's an amazing gypsy caravan, which tomorrow will be taken to a Polish arts festival to Priory Park, and it's going to be like a new art space. It becomes new art space for our workshop Paper Cuts Originality, which is like a very old typical craft in Poland, and it's going to be part of In a Caravan, which was her old project. So it's like a nice connection, I think, with a future and a past.
Hey, my name is Alice. This is a relic of my project from 2007. I was doing outside of M25. That was actually collaboration between myself and artists from Canada, YPA. We toured in a horse-drawn gallery with this horse-drawn gallery that was also, I see it as a sculpture, and it was this object was kind of provoking very different debates. So whatever I set in my mind as it should be, different people read it in very different ways. For me, this project was about migration, displacement, not only in physical but also in emotional or intellectual way. However, the beauty of art is that people read it in so many different ways. It was also about adventure and exploration and maybe invasion. Depends where you stand.
final